Welcome to your lavender flow exercise. Let's get started with a womb breathing meditation. Begin by placing one hand over your heart and the other over your lower belly. Take a deep breath in and release. Deep breath in and release. Deep breath in and release. Thank you for practicing this meditation with me. Let's get ready for child's pose. Sink your hips back, reach your arms forward, and breathe into your lower body. Let's grab our board, unfold to set up on a flat surface, and add your connecting piece. It's time for plank sliders. Slide your legs out into plank and draw them back in, keeping your core zipped tight. It's time for pedal pushers. Push one leg forward as the other one bends, switching like pedals while holding your abs steady. It's time for knee taps. Hover your knees above the mat, tap lightly down, and lift with control. Let's practice kneeling rollout. Glide your hands forward slowly, keeping your ribs pulled in, then draw your arms back with your core. Let's do single arm rollouts. Alternate between each hand moving forward, keeping your hips square and abs engaged. Pause this video now to grab your resistance handles. Let's practice open palm press. While holding the resistance handles, press your palms forward with control, ribs tight and core strong. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.